Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put frames on the wall. First, let's plan your perfect display. Begin by measuring your wall and each frame's dimensions. Lay your frames on the floor to experiment with different arrangements. Once you have a layout you love, cut out paper templates matching each frame size. Tape these templates to the wall to finalize your design, ensuring everything looks balanced and appealing before making any holes. Now, let's gather the right tools for the job. You'll need a hammer, a reliable measuring tape, and a pencil for precise marking. A level is absolutely essential to guarantee your frames hang perfectly straight. Select picture hangers that match the weight of your frames. For instance, a small hook might hold 10 pounds, while a larger one can support 50 pounds. For heavier pieces or drywall, wall anchors provide extra security. There are several effective ways to hang your frames. For lighter frames with a wire, a single nail or picture hook often suffices. For wider frames, using 2 hooks, spaced about 1/3 of the frame's width apart, helps keep them level and prevents tilting. If you prefer not to make holes, adhesive picture hanging strips are a fantastic, damage-free alternative for lighter pieces. For a gallery wall, aim for consistent spacing, typically 2 to 3 inches between frames. To ensure your frames look their best, here are some final tips. Always double-check your measurements before you make any holes in the wall. After hanging each frame, use your level one more time to confirm it's perfectly straight. Don't be afraid to make small adjustments until everything is aligned just right. Finally, step back and admire your work from various angles to ensure the entire arrangement is visually pleasing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.